Greetings to all. I'll walk you through the quickest and most straightforward approach to register for Binance, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. To access the Binance sign-up page, click the link beneath the video. You will receive a 20% discount when you sign up using the link, and you will also receive a 20% payback at the same time. Let's make an account first. You may access the Binance sign-up website by clicking the link beneath the video. You can use your phone number or email to continue registering. To accept the terms below, enter the email address you wish to use and check the box. Click the Continue button at the bottom. The email address or phone number you just supplied will thereafter receive a 6-digit verification code. Verify it and enter it. Next, choose a password. The password must include a minimum of 8 characters, at least 1 capital letter, and at least 1 numeric character. Your account has now been fully created. Please enter the code before finishing your sign-up if the inviter code entry screen shows up. Let's move on to KYC identity verification now. To deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance, you must finish the KYC verification process. Let's continue using a mobile phone since it involves a face scan. On your phone, install and open the Binance app. You will be directed straight to the verification screen after logging in with the account you recently made. Select the ID you wish to use for verification and confirm your nationality. Whether you choose an ID card, driver's license, or passport, it will be processed within 5 minutes, so just proceed with the one most convenient for you. Choose Take Pictures as your submission method and click Continue. Take a picture of the front and back of your ID, fitting it within the camera frame. Follow the directions and position your face inside the oval frame. After completing the face scan, choose your industry and profession and verify other personal details like your name, date of birth, select your occupation and industry. You may verify that your KYC verification is complete on your profile screen after the review, which should take about 5 minutes. Let's now configure Two-Factor Authentication, 2FA. Return to the PC screen and select Security from the Account menu on the left. Select Manage from the Authenticator app menu. Click Enable Authenticator app and a verification code will be sent to your email or phone. A QR code window similar to this one will open once you enter the verification code you were given. Let's download the Google Authenticator app to your phone and let it alone for a little. After the installation is finished, tap the Open button to launch the app and click the Get Started button at the bottom. Click Use without signing in and press the Add a Code button in the center for security reasons. Scan a QR code should be clicked. A 6-digit Binance OTP code will be created if you scan the QR code on your computer screen. Click Next after returning to Binance. Click Submit after entering the 6-digit code that the Google Authenticator app created. After that, you can verify that the activation of your Google OTP was successful. This brings an end to the Binance sign-up lesson. Please like this video if you thought it was useful.